Hello and welcome everyone to the last part of advanced keyword research, best, easy, and the very unique way. The unique way because no one else I have researched also that use the same way, use this kind of tool. These are very known tool, but this has not been used that much. For example, this YouTube, this Google Trends, and LSI Keyword Generator used, but this is not that how other people use. So we have what we did in the earlier videos. If you haven't checked the earlier videos, you should check, because this is a whole collection, and we have collected data from Google, the bulk data in which we molded up and created more data. We did a lot of stuff. You should see the video. I'll put in the link in the description. Then what we did, we kind of assured the list with the best list with the help of Uber Suggest, with a lot of factors including. Then what we did, after Google Uber Suggest, we went to YouTube. This was a very confusing topic, but I have very much cleared why you're using, how you're using, like what is the consequences, what is the benefit of using YouTube in case of keyword research, right? If you haven't seen, because this is one of the I feel the best thing about YouTube, to help others in case of keyword research, right? You should see the video once if you feel this, if you find time, right? So next way to do it, we went to Google Trends. Why Google Trends? It kind of tell you what is trending right now, and I have described Google Trends in very in-depth way, and how to use, what to use, and every stuff I feel I've covered. If I haven't covered, I will do. If you put in the comment down, if you feel something is left. So we did the Google Trends. Right now is the time of one of the best thing is LSI Keyword Generator. This can be also be called as long tails. What is long tails, what is all those things, we will talk about it right in this video. So first of all, I have collected this keyword and I put a star. You'll see a lot of data. If you haven't followed the earlier video, you will not able to exactly understand what this data is coming from, what these numbers are, or the stars are, all the things. So please check it out, the other videos, if you if you want to follow with us, right? So this is what you have collected from earlier tools, earlier things we did, earlier processes we did, right? Right now, what you're going to do, we're just going to open LSI Keyword Generator. This is a free tool, and this is one of the awesome tool I feel in the internet present, which kind of give you like almost every single detail you need. Right now I have to fight with this. Just give me a second, guys. Oops. Oh, I guess done. There's no cars. Yep. Yeah. So LSI Keyword Generator. What this keyword do? How this is going to help us in SEO, how this is going to help us in other stuffs, how. So LSI Keyword Generator are kind of a long kind of, for example, just type depression. This is what I'm searching, working on right now. So I'll type depression right here, right? So let's see. So what this kind of tools do, see, we have more than two words. We have kind of a big words, sentences kind of words, right? Which kind of help us a lot by telling Google, by telling crawlers of Google that this this thing is related to this blog. This blog is all about this topic. It makes the Google understand very properly, very awesome way that this blog is all about depression. This blog is all about ABC. This blog is all about that. So LSI keywords are used into small paragraphs, into maybe meta description, into maybe title tags if required, but mainly these are used in total paragraphs in the body of your what you can say, this content, body of your blog or web page. So the main purpose of let me clear, the main purpose of LSI Keyword Generator or long tails is to make Google understand how exactly your blog is all about, how exactly your blog functions, what your blog mean to say, what your blog convey to the user, how much they are benefit for the user. Right now Google is converting and improving at a speed of life. Every single day there's some new changes. Right now RankBrain and other algorithms are there which are right up functioning on machine learning. So these algorithms are very much accurate to understand what your blog is all about. So you want to write a very specific, very awesome blog based on many factors. I'll talk about those in another video. But right now you have to write blogs which are very much clear to the user, which are very much very much useful to the user, which are very much point to point to the user. Otherwise, if someone don't likes you, he will just pop out of your like web page, right? So it will be kind of giving a negative signal. So you want to engage user, you want to engage the Google crawler as well. So LSI keyword help us to put more keywords, put kind of a related keywords, related words which are useful, right? Which are useful to put into a blog, which are useful to make Google understand what your blog is all about, what your meta description is all about. You can write A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H to the whole blog. You have to be very specific towards what you are writing about. Maximum blogs the blogs are very much awesome. Many blogs are there which are very much awesome, but they are not ranking. There are many factors included, I know, but this is one of the factor which they are neglecting, and because of which they are not able to rank properly. So if you use this LSI keyword very intelligently in your blog, very much useful, very much naturally in your blog, this is going to give Google a very good and positive signal that your blog is all about depression. As I already told you, I am writing or I'm making a blog or a web page based on depression. So I'm going to focus on an overview. So based on the overview mentality, I will search keywords. I'll put the keywords over here, this kind of keywords, all these keywords, right? And I'll see if there is some other LSI keywords or not. If there is some relevant LSI keywords or not. For example, I put the depression, for example, right? I'll see sign of severe depression. Okay, this one can be used. So what I'll do, I just copy this, right? I'll just copy this and I'll make relevant list related to this, right? I will see what else is important for my mentality to write about, right? Top signs of depression. They is a sign, right? We don't need again this thing, so we'll check more. Depression quiz, treatment, anxiety, depression. And anxiety was a word I feel we have neglected because we don't need that. We don't want to go in depth about writing overview, right? So we'll see warning signs of depression. It will come under the signs of depression, right? 7 symptoms of depression. Okay, this also not required because we have symptoms of depression over here. So we're going to filter every single word. We're going to check every single word. Every single word is somewhere relevant to the word depression or not. If we find some word relevant, we're going to put into the list like this, right? We're going to put into the list like this. Same is applied to every single keyword over here. We'll do with every single keyword. We will be making a new list for every single thing. For example, let me do one more. Just paste, just hit enter. You don't have to do anything. This thing will do everything for you. There's nothing found, so it is not required. Leave it. Yeah, we are here. Yeah. So let's see what else is there. Let's take this. Oops. Yeah, we have here. This is also not found. Let's see if there is other things. Let's take this mental disorder. The same process we want to follow everything. Oops, and there is kind of a limit also. So what you can do, you can make the VPN or some kind of other tools you can use for using this more and more. But this is one of the best tools that I told you that you're going to follow the same process over and over with all the keywords, and we're going to get a big list with LSI Keyword Generator. There are other free tools also. For example, long tail keyword generator, right? This is one more tool also, small PDF tool, right? There you're going to put some title, put some words, and based on that words, you can get easily your keyword, easily your LSI things, everything, right? Same thing we will do with every single word, and there we go. You have your LSI keyword words, which you can put into graphs. You can put into everywhere you need. Same process we will follow with every keyword. That's the whole part. So as you put the whole word into your blog, meta description, anywhere you want, Google will better understanding your blog, better understanding your title tag, better understanding what this whole content is all about. So that we want to convey to Google what is this is all about, right? This is the whole motive of LSI words, long tail words. Or long tail and LSI are kind of a similar, which kind of give you the relevance of the blog, which kind of give you relevance about what information is all about. So that kind of word you should use. So here we have created some LSI with the help of Google. If you remember in the first part of the video that I haven't talked about that much, but right now I'm saying this is kind of LSI which we have created based on the search, based on our needs. If you haven't seen that video, please go and check, and hope you like this video. Hope you find this video a little bit useful for your daily days keyword research. And if you enjoyed the whole series of the whole keyword research playlist, please hit a like button, please share, please subscribe, and please follow. And because I'm going to put a lot of information based on digital marketing, touring, and other things. Hope you like the video and put a like, please subscribe. Thanks a lot.